Can water boil and freeze at the same time? It sounds impossible, right? We know that water boils when it's hot, reaching a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And we know that water freezes when it's cold at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So how can it be both at once? It seems like a paradox. Get ready, because we're about to explore a mind-boggling phenomenon called the triple point. This is where things get really interesting. Fasten your seatbelts, science fans. It's going to be a wild ride. The triple point is a unique condition where temperature and pressure are just right. Imagine a place where ice, water, and steam coexist, not just next to each other, but all at the same time, in perfect harmony. This isn't science fiction, it's the remarkable reality of the triple point. It's a delicate balance of conditions. At this point, the familiar rules of temperature seem to vanish, and water dances between its three states. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating phenomenon. It's a point where science meets magic and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of the triple point and discover how it can exist in our world. Every substance, from the air we breathe to the metal in our spoons, has a triple point. It's like a secret code that unlocks a substance's ability to exist in three phases simultaneously: solid, liquid, and gas. The triple point isn't just about temperature, it's also about pressure. Think of it like this. Pressure is like a force pushing down on the substance, while temperature is like a fire heating it up. At the triple point, the pressure and temperature are perfectly balanced, creating a sort of equilibrium where a substance can be solid, liquid, and gas all at once. It's like a three-way tug-of-war where each side is equally matched. Water, our good friend and essential element, has its own special triple point. This unique point is a fascinating phenomenon in the world of physics and chemistry. It occurs at a temperature of 0.01 degrees Celsius or 32.018 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just above the freezing point of water, and a pressure of 611.657 pascals, a very specific and low pressure. This pressure is about 1/100th the pressure of our atmosphere, which is incredibly low compared to what we experience daily. Now that's low pressure. It's hard to imagine such a delicate balance. At this precise point, the energy needed to vaporize water, turning it into steam, is balanced with the energy needed to freeze it into ice. This balance is a marvel of nature. It's like a delicate seesaw, perfectly balanced between ice, water, and steam. Imagine a seesaw in a playground, but instead of kids, it has different states of water. The water molecules are in a constant state of flux, some freezing, some melting, some evaporating, all in a beautiful dance of nature, all at the same time. This constant change is what makes water so unique and essential to life on Earth. Section 4, the science behind the spectacle. How do we actually observe the triple point? This fascinating phenomenon is not just a theoretical concept, but something we can witness with the right tools and conditions. Scientists use a special piece of equipment called a triple point cell. This device is crucial for creating the precise environment needed to observe the triple point. It's a sealed container that allows them to control the pressure and temperature very precisely. By manipulating these variables, they can create the exact conditions required. Inside the cell, they place a sample of pure water. This water must be free of impurities to ensure accurate results. They then carefully adjust the conditions until they reach the triple point. This process requires meticulous attention to detail and precise control. As the water reaches its triple point, something truly amazing happens. The water simultaneously exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. You can see ice coexisting with boiling water, a sight that seems impossible under normal circumstances, and steam swirling around them both, creating a dynamic and mesmerizing display. It's a mesmerizing sight that seems to defy the laws of nature, capturing the imagination of anyone who witnesses it. But it's a perfect example of how incredible science can be. The triple point is a testament to the wonders of scientific exploration and discovery. Section 5. Beyond the triple point. The triple point isn't just a cool science trick, it has important scientific applications. For instance, it's used to define temperature scales very precisely. The triple point of water is a fixed point on the Celsius scale, ensuring accurate temperature measurements worldwide. So the next time you see ice melting in your drink on a hot day, remember the triple point. It's a reminder that even in the most ordinary things, there's extraordinary science waiting to be discovered. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the world around you.